Hello and welcome to Bnum Learning. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Oracle Integration Cloud Diagnostic Logs. Starting with Gen 2 Oracle Integration Cloud, the feature to download diagnostic logs right from the user interface has been discontinued. So the only option now available is to download the logs using REST APIs for Oracle Integration Cloud. I will give the link in the description for this Oracle documentation. As you can see, there is a REST API offered by Oracle in order to download Oracle Integration Cloud Diagnostic Logs, wherein we can pass the ID, or there is a query parameters wherein we can mention a specified date and time duration between which we want to download diagnostic logs, and also we can give the time window like 3 minutes, 1 day, 3 day, hour basis, minute basis, second basis, and download the log. An example is provided over here, like how to download the diagnostic log with the curl expression. So what we can do is we can take this http, basically we can copy to our notepad, remove this, replace this with your host name and port, host address or host name or the port address for your Oracle Integration Cloud instance, and followed by the query parameter. So I want to download this for a time duration of 3 minutes. So let me copy this expression. Once copied, just copy this URL and switch to Postman. Copy it over Postman. Replace this with your host name and the port name or the host address. Switch to basic authentication. Give the username, password, and select this as get, and click on send button. Once you get the response, click on the save response button and save to file. It will download a zip file. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe the channel.